Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line mermaid circle. I'm going in first with the color Sea Glass to base coat my background, and then I'm going to go in with Lucky Lavender for my seashell here. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Terracotta for my starfish. And I'm using like a number 4 round on these smaller detailed areas. And then I'm going to go in with the color Flamingo for my little seahorse here. And then I did use 2 coats on this flamingo here. So I just dried it with a heat gun and then went in again with that flamingo color. And then following that, I'm going to go in and begin to paint my bubbles. And I'm going to use cotton and sea glass, just kind of a mixture of the two. And then I'm going to go in with the color Mermaid Tail to paint my mermaid tail. I knew as soon as I saw this, I had to use that color. And then I'm just going to let everything dry. And now I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker to outline everything. And I will be going in with the color of the Gulf to do the accents on my mermaid tail. And then once I'm done accenting my mermaid tail, I'm going to highlight everything in white. And I'm going to use a number 4 round and the color Cotton for this. And then once I'm done highlighting, I'm just going to flip over this paintbrush and use the end of it and dip it in a little bit of cotton and do some little dots on my bubbles to kind of look like their own little highlight. And then that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.